Hey guys, hey devs. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I promise you, you're going to love what you'll find. I'm introducing you to MoneyUnify, which is basically an API that allows you to provide basic details to request payments from your customers or to send money from a merchant account to your mobile monies that is set up. So this is ideal for companies, businesses, and individuals who have platforms, websites, apps, and would like to integrate and allow people in Africa to make payments using mobile money, which is quite an adopted platform for banking in Africa. So if you want to tap into the market in Africa and in over right now, MoneyUnify can work with about 15 mobile network operators under the Airtel and more. If you want to tap into such and receive payments for your merchandise products online, MoneyUnify is the way to go. So the main objective of this tool is to streamline and help you simplify the integration process. If you want to integrate mobile money right now, you would have to follow each mobile network provider standards and their API documentation. It's a daunting task and it takes time. And what MoneyUnify does is it streamlines all of this into very simple params that you pass in, and then you can use any technology or in any app or programming language, and just within one API call, you initiate a transaction, and the process starts and everything. And you can later on settle the money you have to your bank account. These MNOs or different gateways that provide mobile monies have their own ways of settling, and it's all documented. So this series will be a 5 minute series that will just, for now, for this first one, I appreciate you taking your time to watch this is to guide you how MoneyUnify works and how you can get started. Then we'll go and do each specific language within 5 minutes because it takes less than that time to integrate MoneyUnify for you to begin collecting money. So to get started, I'm going to rather advise you to visit my Unify website. You'll find log into your dashboard here. Documentation is there, and you can buy me coffee, of course, so that I can code more. And of course, you can show your interest, which is the most important part as well. You can put your suggestions, what you need, and then I can see how best I can help with that. So to begin, you can check out the docs. So the docs, what they do is give you a guideline on how you can integrate MoneyUnify. You have right now, for example, for people in Zambia, or if you want to collect money in Zambia on both three networks, Zamtel, MTN, and Airtel. Instantly, you can utilize Sparkle. Sparkle Gateway is a payment provider as well, and what they do, they will help you easily do that. However, integrating the API and Airtel and MTN specifically is difficult. So MoneyUnify like streamlines that for you. So what you can do, you can read the documentation. For example, for Sparkle, go under Sparkle setup here. You find a very intuitive guideline on how you can get started with this particular provider and code examples as well. So you can use the documentation always to guide you on what you can do and what you're able to do. Airtel, it's available in over 15 African countries. Great. Ready if you are ready to collect money, that's the way to go. And the other thing that you have here is your login. This gives you access to Money Unify dashboard. So your Money Unify dashboard, for example, here I don't have an account yet, but what I'll do, I'll create one. This will help you get what do you call this? A MoneyUnify ID, which is needed in order for you to like differentiate you from other users who are using the MoneyUnify platform. And the moment you sign up, you receive a MoneyUnify ID. This is what you need to pass into the parameter. I think we saw earlier under the docs that for the API request that you make, for example, if you want to collect money here, you need to pass in the MoneyUnify API and the customer's details. So that there is what you can get on your dashboard here. And for example, for now, you can use Sparkle for Airtel. This is MTN and Zamtel. This is for Zambia collections. If you want to start collecting money in Zambia only, and it's extended to Tanzania, they'll be extending there. And for Airtel, this is now available in 15 African countries, and these are the credentials that you get from the Airtel portal. And once you configure here, you are good to go. And in the next series, in the next 5 minutes video, I'll now share with you on a particular technology stack, be JavaScript, just a simple demo on how you can integrate this. I also provide as much resources as I can. Thank you so much. Like the video, share, and feel free to offer